Is your Chromecast stuck endlessly rebooting, never reaching the home screen? Don't panic. This guide will help you break the loop and get it working again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your home for simple, effective tech fixes. Today, we are solving a frustrating problem. Your Chromecast is stuck in a boot loop and just won't load properly. We will walk you through step-by-step solutions to get it back to normal. Method 1. Check the power source. When Chromecast is stuck in the boot loop, first ensure that the device is plugged directly into a power source and you are not using a surge protector. Use the power cable and adapter that came with your Chromecast rather than plugging it into a USB port on your TV or other devices, which might not provide enough power. Also, check the power outlet is not faulty. You can connect the device to some other power source and check if it is working there. Method 2. Check the HDMI connection. The next thing you can do is check the HDMI connection between the device and your TV or the monitor you are using. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to the Chromecast and the TV or monitor's HDMI port, as a loose connection can lead to issues like this. Look over the HDMI cable for any visible signs of wear and tear such as fraying, kinks or bends. If you find any damage, consider replacing the cable with a new one. You can also try to connect the Chromecast to another TV or monitor and check if that helps. Method 3. Check the internet connection. Next, ensure your Chromecast is connected to a stable internet connection. You can connect another device to the same internet and check the internet speed from speedtest.net. You can restart the router or modem you are using. You can also contact your service provider if necessary. You can restart the Chromecast device and the router. Method 4. Check for interference. Ensure that the Chromecast is not obstructed by any objects. Physical barrier between the Chromecast and your TV can lead to these issues. Avoid placing the Chromecast behind the TV or near any other electronic devices that may cause interference. You can use the HDMI extender that comes with some Chromecast models to move the device a bit further away from the TV or other electronic devices. Make sure you keep the Chromecast away from routers, microwaves, cordless phones, and other wireless devices. If possible, position your Wi-Fi router closer to the Chromecast to strengthen the signal. Method 5. Hard reset the device. If the method shown above could not fix the issue, reset the Chromecast. To reset the Chromecast device, make sure it is plugged into a power source. Find the small reset button on the Chromecast device. Press and hold the button. The white light on the device will start blinking. Keep holding the button. The light will turn amber and start blinking. Continue holding the button. Once the light turns white, release the button. The device will now perform a factory reset. This process may take about 1 minute. Be patient. After the reset is complete, your Chromecast will be ready to set up as a new device. Method 6. Use Ethernet adapter. To enhance the performance of the Chromecast device, you can connect an Ethernet adapter. This wired connection ensures a consistent and reliable signal, reducing the charge for lags, buffering, and disconnections. The plug-and-play setup is also user-intuitive. Method 7. Use the original power adapter. Always use the original power adapter and cable that came with your Chromecast. Using third-party adapters can cause issues, including your Chromecast getting stuck in a boot loop. Also check that the adapter is not damaged and is functioning properly to ensure stable performance. Method 8. Contact Google Support. If your Chromecast is still stuck in the boot loop, then you can contact Google Support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And that's how to fix a Chromecast stuck in a boot loop. No more endless restarts. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes that actually work. Still having issues or found another solution? Share it in the comments. We read them all. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next one.